Hey guys, I'm Ro. Recently I've been diving into Home Assistant for about 2 months now, and I was having an issue copying and pasting an entire section as I was trying to reconfigure my dashboard. So let me show you what I got going on here. So as I was creating this room here, because I wanted everything on one page, and while I was building this out, here on the first tab I have my rooms divided with this drop down here, which is very useful. And then on this side on this tab I have the upstairs area, downstairs area, outside, and then this whole home tab, which is basically a combination of everything. So the issue I was having was, as I was building this, from these rooms I was copying and pasting each card one at a time. And yes, I wasted a lot of time doing it that way. However, it did work. It just took me a lot of time. I didn't know how to copy the whole section and move it. I eventually figured it out, and that's what I'm here to show you guys how to do. So I built this test room down here. You know what, let me get rid of this section so I could start from scratch here. Okay, so we have this test room. I got a couple cards in here just for example. And we want to move this whole section to here. Now, what you do is you click the edit pencil on the section, click edit, go up here to these three dots, edit and YAML. This area right here can be very intimidating to people, including myself. I don't mess with this stuff. I'm not a person that's into coding. I don't want to be. So what I do is I put my cursor at the very top and I copy this entire code. Now I go back to the test room where I want to put it. Hit the pencil. Here's a new section here. Click the pencil on that new section. Go up here to the edit and YAML. Again, at the very beginning, paste the whole code you just copied. So after you paste it, this line is going to be red. It needs to be blue. So if you go to the very, very bottom, start hitting the backspace until that line turns blue. Now be careful, you don't want to go too fast to delete something that needs to be in that code. So if you notice there, it turned blue. Hit save. There you go. The entire section is now pasted in there. I hope that helps you out because, like I said, I wasted a lot of time doing one card at a time, and it took me a very long time to do until I figured this way out. If there's another way to do it, I don't know how to do it because I've searched YouTube and couldn't find anyone to show me how to do it this way, or any way for that matter. But hope that works for you guys. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. You hit that like button. See you.